pao chicken. Abi siya panipuri na kung pao chicken. Why not?
For this Chinese New Year, the animal in the spotlight is the wood snake. The year of the wood snake in 2025 is said to be a time of transformation, growth, and renewal. It's also predicted to be a year of strong relationships, personal growth, and strategic thinking. And tonight, we gather to embrace the rich traditions and cultural festivities of this joyous occasion. Before I start, let's give everyone a round of applause and thank you so much for joining and gracing our event today. And to formally commence our festivities, please welcome our esteemed President and Chairman, Mr. Justin Uy, to give his opening remarks. A round of applause, please.
Good evening, everybody. May gabi. To our favorite Mayor, Jonathan Ahong Chan, our Congresswoman, Cindy King Chan. The daughter is not here yet, but she's coming. The ABC President, Ms. Hasmin Chan. Of course, we have our Mr. Gary Lau, our tourism officer, and she's a former councilor, but I consider her forever councilor, Miss Whitney Aman. Thank you for coming over here. This year, we'll be celebrating the snake year. Snake, as you will know, is something that they shave their skin regularly. And we in Jpark is same as a snake. We keep on innovating, we keep on changing. Same as our mayor who made this city very great. Keep on doing something new for the good of the city. So we in Jpark last year, we opened up a new restaurant, the Gallo Grill. We opened up a new hotel in Bohol. And we have many events to make everything better. So we really look forward for the year of the snake, and of course for everybody to have good health. And thank you. Welcome to this Chinese New Year event.
Thank you very much, Sir Justin. Once again, let's give a round of applause to our Chairman and President, Mr. Justin Uy. And now it's time for a moment of great significance, the adopting of the lion. In Chinese tradition, this ritual marks the awakening of the lion and bestows upon it the spirit and energy to perform its dance. As the lion rests before us, let us witness the precision and reverence with which the eye is dotted, symbolizing the infusion of life and vitality into the lion. To help us dot the lion's eye and bring them to life, it is an honor to have with us today our beloved Mayor, City Mayor of Lapu-Lapu City, Mayor Junard Ahong Chan, together with our First Lady and Lone District Representative, Congresswoman Cindy King Chan. Our Jpark Island Resorts Vice President for Operations and General Manager, Mr. Brian Conley. Our former City Councilor, and as Sir Justin said, forever Councilor, Ms. Whitney Aman. And of course, the President and Chairman himself, Mr. Justin Uy. They will do the dotting of the eye of the lion. bring good fortune and chase away evil spirits. The lion dance is one of the most important traditions of Chinese New Year. It is performed to bring prosperity and good luck for the upcoming year and is also a way to create a festive atmosphere and bring happiness. Counselor and Urban Tourism Consultant, Ms. Queenie Allen. General Manager and VP for Operations, Mr. Ryan Connolly. Vice President of Sales and Marketing, Mr. Ryan Cho. Profood International Corporation Chief Finance Officer, Mr. Jonathan Wynn. And of course, the Chairman and President, Mr. Justin Wynn. With chopsticks in hand, we will toss the ingredients high into the air, accompanied by heartfelt wishes for good fortune, success, and happiness in the coming year. So let us join together in spirit and action as we partake in this age-old tradition that unites us in joy and optimism as we toss the isang